So you would have seen me shampoo my hair. I'm just going to show you me sticking some products through it. Nothing changed or new, I would say, for what I've used in my previous videos. So I do apologise for that, but that's just because I'm trying to use up the products that I have, so I can buy some new ones without wasting the other ones. So I'm going to go in with the Schwarzkopf Gliss Hair Repair with liquid keratin, and this is a leave-in conditioner. Trying to use it up, and I'm just going to comb it through. I'm going to take some of the moisture out of my hair with the towel again. Now I'm going to go in with the Hask Argan Oil. Just a wee bit onto the back of my hand. Split between the two. And then spread it through the midlines and ends. And bare minimum. Hardly anything left on my hands when I put it through my roots and the top of my hair. So the majority on the ends and the midlines. So what I'm going to do is attempt to do a wee plait at the front, just here. Just to tie this out of my face. And once I'm getting nearer the ends, then I'll put a wee elastic in it. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just the weather's really nice today. It's very sunny, so if I'm going outside the sun, I'll dry my hair. That's fine. Nothing too crazy today. How is everybody doing? I hope you've been enjoying the sunshine while it lasts. Have you been away on holiday? Done any nice trips? Any shopping sprees? What has everybody been up to? And if you haven't subscribed already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Well, that's bumpy, isn't it? Let's see. There we go. I think I'm going to redo that one because I do like that. Just with this bit. If I'm pulling it back, it's going to look really bumpy. Look, it doesn't matter. We're only sitting outside, getting a bit fresh air. So I'm just going to pop it back like that and then twist it up into a wee bun. Out of my way. I am going to redo this one because it's really annoying me. Just so if I pull it back, it's not going to be like bumpy. I'm going to get a wee clip just so I can pull it back on this side. Get my wee. Yeah, it's because I've grabbed that bit there. That'd be better. Yep. So I'm just plaiting it again, but pulling it back away this time. My goodness, it gets sore on your arms. Try again now, third time lucky. Let's see. elastic. Aye, that will give you a bit better, not much, but a wee bit. And pulling it back. Might just even wear it like that. And there we go. That's what I wanted to be able to see the wee plait. That side. And then another wee elastic right on top. So that's it for the hair, because I'm going outside and hopefully get a wee bit of colour on my face. So I hope you enjoyed the shampoo and the wee messy hairdo. I hope you enjoyed this. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy this content, and I'll look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.